I am thrilled to share that Lasagna won the Kentucky Fried Giving Challenge. This is huge for us. We won a $100,000 grant for a TikTok video that we put together, and we are celebrating today by making a KFC inspired lasagna. And I'm honored and so excited that one of our lasagna chefs, Todaro, who owns Blink Catering in Atlanta, Georgia, last minute helped us come up with a KFC lasagna using KFC ingredients. So we went out last night, we got everything, as is the first time we've tried it. So I hope you enjoy this adventure with me. To make Chase's KFC inspired lasagna, you will need 1 8-piece bucket of the chicken tenders, 1 side of mashed potatoes with gravy, 1 side of the roasted corn, you'll only use about half of that, about 1 pound of shredded mozzarella cheese, some traditional no-boil lasagna noodles, and of course, some tomato sauce. Let's get started. First, we're going to take out the 8 pieces. And we're actually going to pull off the breading, leaving just the chicken. Next, you're going to want to pull the chicken